Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's how to set the time on a Travelwey alarm clock. Maybe the clocks have gone forward or backwards, or maybe you've just had a power cut. The time at the moment is 1:45 in the afternoon and the clock is saying 2:45, so we need to correct that. This is a really smart little alarm clock. You've got a nice little light on the top. You can also have this in 12-hour or 24-hour mode. On the back you've got this time set button. If you just click that once, that alternates it between normal time and 24-hour time. Now to set the time, what you need to do is hold this button in, so you're keeping that pressed, and then while you've got that pressed, the two buttons on the top, you've got an hour one on the left and a minute one on the right. Keep pressing the hour one, that will scroll through all the hours, all the time keeping that button pressed on the back, the time set button. Then press the minutes button. If you hold it down, it doesn't make any difference, it doesn't go faster, so you just have to click it multiple times. So let's just get it round to 45. It's actually nearly 46, 47, so I'm just going to put it to 13:47, and that is the time set. Nothing else to do. On this particular clock I've got the dimmer quite bright, but you can adjust it on the back with this slider switch. You can have it really low or much higher. Obviously if you're sleeping in a dark bedroom you don't want it too bright. Come on Lurgs, time to get up and go to work. Oh, just 10 more minutes, then I'll get up and go to work.